try to stay instead of four. Because I can dig it out. I'm gonna go this way. And keeping it at like a 35-degree angle so it'll smash it in there. But it won't dig it out. You know what I'm saying?
I didn't understand that, but maybe somebody else will.
My English sometimes is.
No, I mean, what you were saying to do.
Oh. Well, you know, if I go straight like this, bloop, I'm gonna go bloop, and dig out, bloop, bloop, dig everything out. Bloop is gonna catch that edge. That's why you gotta want.
So you're saying don't hold your thing straight. Hold it at a hold it at a 45-degree angle.
With the joints, right? But like this, at an angle to the joints. So you can slide over without pulling anything out. And even though I'm going straight back and forth, I keep it at an angle. So it's the same thing as if I were going this way and that, at an angle. But I'm going this way and that way. Still keeping it at an angle. So when we get going, you know, I do this, blah, 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 back and forth, back and forth. But I'm holding this at an angle as much as I can. And I'm gonna mess up here and there, as you do. Especially me. Oh, no, too much. Conditioner. I'm gonna get real tired, you know, peter out.
Well, remember I'm wiping and not to do too wide of the strip because I can't. My arms are short.
As far as I need to go. So, once you can't reach off, I'll try to get just to get us all at the same spot, right? I'll go right here. This will be 2 feet. Should be good. Well, I've just got a lot of gear. So, I did that while ago. A line of it right in my eyeball. That's really good. That's why I always wear safety glasses. I really should be. And you too, because safety doesn't always just happen to the worker. It can happen to an observer.
done?